there's reasons behind the moves that I make. I built this platform for me to put positive energy into the world, you know? I could put out all kind of vibes. I could put out any kind of vibes I want. I could talk about money, I could talk about guns, I could get on some hood shit, you know, but I decided to make my shit on some positive shit. Yo, constantly reminding myself that we all look at things differently. Built this so y'all could feel this as I spread this positive energy. Realistically, what's important? Cause half of the time, half of these niggas don't even know what they supporting. If you want the life, then I'm warning ya that these fans that say that they love you will turn into babies without they formula. Crying to get attention, homie, your expectations hella low. What happened to being yourself? Y'all see me and act like y'all met a ghost. How you gonna handle the lifestyle knowing damn well you ain't got no self-control? One of my Brody bros conversing with me, trying to put me on game. Still I remain with this world on my shoulders, but y'all not feeling my pain. These rappers work a lifetime for a hit and still be living the same. So I'm doing everything in my power to make this last. I made mistakes in the past, but today, man, I hope my branches grow. The more money I receive, the more my people gon' learn what I'm standing for. Focus on how my brand should grow, they demanding more. Haters hate, but they standards low. I'm just trying to balance out what I'm rapping about. Too much at a time, and next thing you know, they tapping out. I was spazzing out. The homie said, put down them blacks and smoke this half an ounce. And before you bounce, make sure they fuck with your meaning. You too understandable, these rappers can't fuck with your meaning. Started thinking, maybe I should spaz less. Switched up my address. Coming in peace, I'm here to inform, educate, and provide some access. Will I last until my last breath, maybe past death? If you hear my voice, just know that I'm never gonna half step. But ask yourself. I'm just trying to balance out what I'm rapping about. I'm just trying to make this shit last, you know? I want my music to live. I want niggas to be able to listen to my shit and feel that shit. And niggas will.